getting started. I have some water in a pot and I'm going to be adding some garlic and some rosemary to it. Then I'm going to add my cut up chicken breast to the water. And I cleaned this chicken breast with just a little bit of lime and vinegar and water so that it can get off some of that rawness. In the pot. Now I'm going to add my cleaned cow cod to it. And I did the same in its cleaning process. We want the meat to be cooked first with flavor. That's why I use the garlic and the rosemary, because those flavors are just really good. And garlic is a nice antibiotic, so it's good and healthy. So now we just stir after it comes up to a boil. Right now I'm going to be adding some carrots, celery, and some pepper, hot pepper, to the mixture. You can dice them up, I think. Celery gives a nice flavor, so that's why I use celery. Looking like chicken noodle soup right here, no, but it's not chicken noodle soup. I'm also going to add some grated pumpkin to give it that body that it needs. I'm going to stir. Ooh, that's pretty, isn't it? Look at that color. And you see all the steam rising? Whoa. It's going well. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Some cayenne pepper. I like my things hot, so add as much as I want to it. But you can add as little or as much as you would like. I'm going to add just a little bit of sazon. And again, you can add as much and as little as you like. So now I'm just going to stir. Because this will be a nice tasty soup. See, it's coming along well. Time to do another check. Whoa, you saw that shot a while ago? Maybe give it a stir to make sure that it's coming on well. And look at that color. So beautiful. It's coming on well. As you see, I bring up pieces of the cod and the chicken. It's coming on well. Comment below if you have ever had a chicken and cod soup. What I'm going to do now is just add some cod soup mix. You can use whatever brand you like. that's gonna add flavor, and also it's gonna help thicken it up too again. Although you don't have to have it thick or liquidy, this can be however you want it. But this here is going to be one meal for me and my family. I'm also going to add 1 packet of coconut milk to this soup, just to give it a little bit of creaminess. And whatever brand you like, you can use it. So now just stir it in. Ooh, now you see that color. It's so nice and pretty and beautiful. Well, I don't have no fresh corn at the moment on hand, so I use some canned corn. Nice canned corn, because that really tastes good in soup. See, look at all of those colors. It's gonna be yummy. So I'm just gonna let that cook. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna check. After about an hour, your soup is ready. Look at that. So I'm gonna share it out now. So I'm gonna take my ladle. Ooh, yes, you see all of that? I'm gonna put it in my bowl. Ooh, isn't that so pretty? I'm gonna share it as much as you would like to eat, and I like to get every little thing in there. I also boiled in a separate pot some purple yam, some instant yam, and I'm going to have that as my main carbohydrate, which I'm just going to put right here. And tell me, doesn't that look beautiful? Cow cod chicken soup. Enjoy.